In today's video, I'll teach you how to create StarPets account. So if you want to create the StarPets account, first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in starpets.gz. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of StarPets. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of StarPets. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So in order to create the account for yourself, what you have to do is look at top. Over here, you can see two options, login, registration. If you already have the account, click on the option login and log into your account. If you want to create the account for yourself, click on this option, registration, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to register the account for yourself. First of all, provide your login and email. In the field of login, what you have to do is simply provide the username that you would like to use. Now once you do that, click on the field of email and provide the email address with which you would like to create the account. Now click on this option, continue, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll have to create the password for yourself. Make sure to create a very strong password. So simply create the password. Now confirm the password. Now click on this option, continue, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to confirm that you're not a robot. Simply go through the CAPTCHA verification. Now if you want to join the exclusive club, you can see over here an invitation to the exclusive club will be sent to your email. You can check your email in order to accept the invite, or you can also skip it for now. So like this, you'll be able to create the account for yourself. So that is how you create StarPets account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.